Our goal is to find the length of C. We have a triangle where you can see that side B, which is across from angle B, is 6, and side A, which is across from angle A, is 8. So to solve for side C, what we want to do is we want to take 8 squared plus 6 squared and set that equal to some side length C that we're solving for squared. Well, 8 squared is 64, and 6 squared is 36. This still is all equal to C squared. Again, this is 100 equal to C squared. Now what we can do is we can either square root both sides to solve for C, or we can recognize that 10 times 10 makes 100. So C must be equal to 10. The other way we can represent this is like this. The square root of C squared is C, and the square root of 100 is 10. So C must be equal to 10.